Scott from SmartKits, and let's have a look at one of our steel frame decks under construction. These are our complete steel frame deck kits, and we're going to walk around the back of the house here. And this steel frame deck is up, so let's check it out and have a look at all the good things that are happening with this build right now. And here we go. Woohoo! Nice. Got beautiful white coloured beams externally, our white SHS steel posts. You can see those fantastic joists spanning straight out to this awesome looking pool area. These beams will span up to 5 metres. Up to 5 metres of free spanning area underneath your deck without having any internal posts. You can see how pole plate against the house wall. We've got brackets picking up the end of the joist there. Look at our fantastic connectors just grabbing onto that pole plate. And a nice big clean span through here. This is going to be one impressive looking deck when it's finished. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Let's get out into the pool area and check it out from here. Loving that. Absolutely loving that. That is going to look so good next to the swimming pool. Our steel frame deck kits come complete with everything you need to build your own supersized steel frame deck at your house. SmartKits Australia, we make it simple, we make it easy. You can jump on our website, smartkits.com.au, and you can get our deck and roof kits complete, delivered to your house ready for installation.